Fox body here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This was a 1991 Ford Mustang LX 5-liter convertible. Actual mile car, 105,873 on the odometer at the moment. So yes, 302 underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front fascia. There's a few things I do want to point out. There's a little bit of a dinger in the hood right here, been touched up. And there's some it looks like light hail, and I don't think I can get it to show up in the video, but there's a few little spots if you look close. I don't know if you can see that, about like right there, but it's, again, it's very, very light. You have to look pretty hard. There's a little spot right there if you can see it. This is one of those cars. Have some fun, drive it, put the top down. If you want a convertible, V8, a lot of bang for the buck, here you go. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct 91 Fox body wheels. Radial tires, and those are dated 2024. There's tons of tread left on them and a lot of life left. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Don't get me wrong, this car looks nice. Take a look down this passenger side. It's not all full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, has a nice finish to it. There's just a few spots here and there. Convertible top, black vinyl. It is power. I'll show it going up, latching it. We'll put it back down, check out the condition of it. We'll do that towards the end of the video, as well as Jason taking this one for a drive. So vermilion red exterior, red interior. As you can see, cloth buckets, AM/FM cassette player. I did have the radio working a little bit ago. We'll check that out in a little bit when we start it up, take a peek underneath the hood. Convertible top cover fits nice. Luggage rack. I think that's more for looks than anything. Dual exhaust, and it is complete dual exhaust with cats. They are intact. I was going to come with a few things over here, a couple extra center caps for the pony wheels, car cover. That's a front hood protector, and it looks like probably a little, basically like package to put that convertible top cover in when it's not on the car. Back here you'll see a few of those light little dingers that I was talking about, and they're so light I can't really get them to show up in the video. There's one there, like I said, they're tough to see. Notice there's a couple over here kind of on this rear quarter. I won't get them to show up in the video. It's about impossible. That's how light they are, but I want to make you aware of it. Not going to stop you from having some fun with this one. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. If you like Mustangs, Fox bodies, S197s, new edge, older, doesn't matter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And you can see this driver's side, nice shine to it, nice glossy red finish. Let's check out this interior a little bit closer. We'll fire it up. And there'll be tons of interior pics on the website also. So power windows, power locks, you have your more modern features. Seats do show some wear here in the bolster where it's separating the vinyl and the cloth. Little spot down here. I want to step back to the color. There's the true color of the interior. This is one of those kind of reds or maroons. If I get right up on top of it, it's going to wash it out. It is not that light. Right there. That's the true color of that interior. As you can see, the back's the same. Go ahead and fire it up. There's miles. 105,873, so 105,873. You did notice there is an airbag light. Want to make you aware of that. That will stay on or flash. Previous owners drove it like that, and you can see had a little piece of tape over it, what have you. Top of the dash. Again, AM FM cassette. And let's go ahead, hit the balance and fade. Yes, all speakers are working. Lonesome George. A little rumble coming out of that 5-liter. Nothing crazy, but nice sounding car. All right, let me pop this hood release. Get the hood open, take a peek at that 5-liter, and then we'll move on to the convertible top, get this walk around wrapped up, and let Jason take it for a drive. Hood propped up, underside of it. That hood liner's nice and clean. Doesn't look like this thing's really been driven in inclement weather, which doesn't surprise me, being a rear-wheel drive convertible. There it is. 5.0. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Has been converted. 134. AC is blowing cold. Looks like an aluminum radiator. Couple notes from the technician on this one. Does have a new left rear window motor. Has a new steering rack. It brakes straight. Brakes are 70% in the front, 65% in the rear. And I mentioned the tires are date coated, 2024, and plenty of tread left. Let's go ahead and get the tripod set up. Let's check out this convertible top. And convertible top all the way up and latched. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up. See how that fits. So black vinyl. Coming around to the rear, I do want to show you some things in the rear glass here. So it is glass, but you can tell it has been glued down below. Probably some threading started to come loose a little bit, has been fixed back there. Little pair work and passenger side. If you need it to keep you out of a shower or the sun, I think it's going to serve its purpose just fine. And the majority of the time you'll be driving this car, guessing the top will be down. Side glass fits nice. And I will show you the top folding back into the storage compartment too here at the end of the video. And after that, Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's a 1991 Ford Mustang LX with a 5-liter. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1991 Ford Mustang. The Fox Body Mustang, the notorious Fox Body Mustang. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Automatic with overdrive. Fuel injected, of course, in 1991. This is a convertible and we have the top off today. Red on red. Red and black interior. If you get a little wind noise, that is just the nature of driving with the top down on a beautiful morning. Factory stereo is working. I have not tested cassette, but FM is working well. Looks like we don't have a horn, but who needs a horn? The tachometer is working, the speedometer is working as well. Battery is charging over halfway on the gauge. And the temperature is approaching 150, still warming up. Oil pressure is about halfway on the gauge as well. And the fuel tank is showing completely full. I'll test cruise in just a second after the roundabout. Rides as you would expect, responsive, but a nice ride on the road. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth. Very good power steering. No noises from that power steering either. Kickdown works well on the automatic transmission. Doesn't appear that cruise is working. Pretty nice interior. There's one little rip on the driver's seat with cloth seats, so you're not going to stick to them. Power windows, all the fun accessories. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.